Okay, hello students. In previous class we discussed pair of linear equation related questions. In that we are continuing that one. What is the page number 84? Example 5. Okay, page number 84. Example 5. What is the question given there? The perimeter of rectangle plot is 32 meters. The perimeter of rectangle plot is 32 meters. If the length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of plot is remains same. The area of plot is remain same. Find the length and breadth of the plot. Find the length and breadth of the plot. Okay, in your textbook they use a graphical method to solve that. We have to learn here elimination method. See here. Shall we say what is the length of the rectangle? What is the breadth of the rectangle? We don't know. We have to take a rectangle. Okay, we have to take rectangle. Rectangle means half its sides are equal. Rectangle means half its sides are equal. Okay, length. This is the length. This is the breadth. This is the length. This is the breadth. Length we can take as x. I am showing here x, y. Pair of linear equations we are habituated by using letters x, y only. So I want to take length as x, breadth as y. Length as x, breadth as y. Then perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter means what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B formula. Area equal formula what is L into B. Area is I have written here formulas. Perimeter of rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. We have to write those x, y. Instead of L, x. Instead of y. Instead of b, y. Area of rectangle formula L into b. Now we go for the question. What is the first question? First part is the perimeter of rectangle plot is 32 meters. That is one sentence. Another sentence we will see later. First length of rectangle B. Length of rectangle equal to x. Length of rectangle equal to x. Here we have taken m meters, so we can take x m. Okay, we don't need to write that one also. But if you want to write x meters also we can write. And breadth of rectangle equal to y. Breadth of rectangle equal to y. Given what is given? Perimeter of rectangle plot is 32 meters. Perimeter of rectangle plot is 32 meters. That is first sentence. Already we know perimeter of rectangle formula is what is perimeter of rectangle formula 2 into L plus B. That means 2 into length into breadth, then 2 into length into breadth equal to 30. 2 into length into breadth equal to 30. Okay, so I have written formula for this one equal to 30. Okay, so 2 into L length is x, breadth is y equal to 30. Now we have to cancel. We will take to that side. Here what will be x plus y equal to 32 by 2. 2 cable 2 1 years. 2 16 years 30. 2 16 years 30. X plus y equal to 16. This is equation 1. This is the equation 1. Now we go for the second sentence. Okay, first equation what we can get here? X plus y equal to 16. This is the equation 1 we are getting. This continuation we want to get. What the condition? If the length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is decreased by 1 meter, the area of plot is remains same. Area of plot equal to area of plot we want to know. Area of plot equal to length into breadth. Area of plot equal length into breadth. Length into breadth means x into y. xy. Area of plot equal to xy. Area of plot equal to xy. We will go for the second part. This is the first part completed. First part we got This is the solution we are getting. First equation. By using first part, we got equation 1. Okay, that one remember. I will add the code. Next, what is the sentence here? Given length of rectangle, length increased by 2 meters, and breadth decreased by 1 meter. The area is same. The area plot is same. This is the second sentence. Length is increased by 2 meters. Length plus 2. Length is increased by 2 centimeters. Breadth is increased by 1 meter. That means by using these two, what we calculated area. Area is same. That means we have to calculate area. Okay. By using length increase, length decrease, we have to use to find out the area. Area plot is formula. Rectangle plot formula. Area of rectangle formula length into breadth. So we have to find product of these two. Length breadth minus 1. Breadth minus 1 equal to same area. Same area means xy1. Length plus 2, breadth minus 1 equal to same area. Length is what is x plus 2, y minus 1 equal to same area means xy. Previously I calculated. What is the previous area? That only same maintaining here. Okay, one thing remember, length is increased by 2 and breadth is increased by 1. After the changes happened, we calculate area. So that's why I am producing. I multiply here. Length increased by 2. I increase length by 2. I decrease length by 1. After I make a multiplication. Then by multiplying length by what we can get? Area. This is total length. Increase after. This is total breadth. Decrease after. Okay, now multiply x into y, x into minus 1 is 2 into y plus 2y, 2 into minus 1, minus 2 equal to xy. Now we have to cancel xy, we can cancel. Both sides equal, every side is. Otherwise if you take this side, otherwise you can take xy, one more step will be increased, xy, take this xy this side and minus 2 that side. Then what will be xy minus 1x plus 2y minus xy minus plus xy, it becomes minus xy equal to plus 2. Minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay, minus xy plus xy will cancel. Now we have to write the remaining part. What is the remaining part here? Minus 1x plus 2y equal to 2. This is equation 2. Okay, after this one I think all of you understood. Okay, now we have to simplify equation 1 and 2. Equation 2 is what is minus 1x. Okay, solve 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. What is equation 1? Previously we got. What is equation 1? Equation 1. X plus y equal to 16 we got. First equation. Previously we got a first equation x plus y equal to 16. Second equation what is minus 1x. Minus 1x means minus x we can write. Minus 1x is nothing but minus 1. Minus 1x plus 2y equal to 2. Now is there any equal coefficients? Okay. Yes. Opposite sides. Yes. The opposite sides are available. Plus and minus and same coefficient is available. So by adding these two will be cancelled. By adding these two will be cancelled. X minus x is 0. Y before non-average. Non-average means that is taken 1. 2 plus 1 3. 3y. 16 plus 2 18. Y equal to 18 by 3. 3 1 years 3 6 years. 18 by 3 3 1 year 3 6 years. Y equal to how much? 6. Y equal to how much? 6. This 6 is replaced in equation 1 or equation 2. Substitute y equal to 6 in 1 in equation 1. What is one equation? I will do it here. What is the equation 1 here? X plus y equal to 16. X plus y equal to 16. Replace 6 instead of y. X plus y value 6 equal to 16. Move 6 towards the RHS. X equal to 16 minus 6. X equal to 10. X equal to 10. 16 minus 6 is 10. Now we can say length of triangle, length of plot. Length of plot equal to length of plot x, that equal to 10. What is the 10? These are given meters. So meters, 10 meters. Breadth of plot equal to y. Y is 6 meters. This is the answer. But one thing remember, first part we can do very easily, but second part only how to take important. What is that important? After increasing the breadth, after decreasing the breadth, we have to calculate area. Okay, area means multiply. That one you have to remember. We can now we will start exercise. Exercise first Roman and second Roman. Do your work. Okay, first Roman to complete yourself. Already we completed that model. Okay, second model also we discussed that one first Roman, second Roman. Try yourself. First Roman, second Roman. Try yourself in exercise 4.1, page number 86. Page number 86. Okay, this is the question. Already we discussed first Roman and second Roman models. Those try yourself. If you got doubt means we will discuss. But maximum you have to try yourself. Okay, you can be able to do that. You can do. Now we will go for the page number 86, fourth question. Page number 86. Fourth question. Third question later I will discuss that one. Third question. Always you can do third only. Neha. Okay, this is question. The number of cards are 2 times less than the find the number of purchase. Number of cards 4 times less than the 3 times the number of purchase. This is question given. Question seems to be very big but very easy sum. Okay, what is the question? Neha went to sell a purchase some pants and skirts. Okay, she want to buy pants and skirts. Skirts means top shirt. Okay, pants. Her friend asked me, how many skirts, how many shirts you purchase? Then she did not say directly, but she given some hints. What is it? Okay, when her friend asked her, okay, she answered. She answered. What answered? She answered. The number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. This is sentence. One sentence. Okay, one time she given one hint. What is the hint given to her friend? The number of skirts are 2 less than twice the number of pants. How many pants are there? That one twice. Unless there are less 2, then we will get the shirts. Such number of shirts we got. Okay, that sentence we will discuss first. But shall we know here how many skirts are there? How many pants are there? No. So let number of don't write number of in income. We have to write full form. Okay, for time telling I am writing short form here. But exam we have to write number of. Spelling we have to write. Number of skirts. Number of skirts equal to x and number of pants. Number of pants equal to y. Number of pants equal to y. First sentence. Okay, first sentence. This is the first one given. What is given there? Number of pants, number of skirts are 2 less than twice of number of pants purchased. Okay, this is the first sentence. In question again, number of skirts are 2 less than twice number of pants purchased. Okay, I want to say about the skirts. Okay, what is she saying? 2 less than. 2 less than is we have to English 2. From which one we have to less than? Twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants. Pants how many here? Y. Twice. Twice means 2y. Twice means 2y. By twice the pants less 2, what we can get? Number of skirts. Number of skirts. The number of skirts is x. This is the sentence. Now we have to take. Once again see here. 2 less than less 2. From which one we have to less? Twice number of pants purchased. Twice number of pants. 2y. From 2y we have to less. 2y minus 2. By calculating this, what we can get? Number of skirts. X. Okay. Now to move this one, x minus 2y equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. This is the equation 1. Go for the next sentence. What is the next sentence? The number of skirts 4 less than 3 times the number of pants purchased. Given the number of skirts, both are same skirts only. 4 less than from 3 times number of pants purchased. 3 times the number of pants purchased. Now we have to write 4 less than means minus 4. From which we have to subtract 3 times pants. 3 times pants. 3 times means 3. Pants how many? Y. 3y minus 4. 3y minus 4. By calculating these all, what we can get? We will get skirts. We will get skirts. Now move this one this side. X minus 3y equal to minus 4. This is equation 2. This is equation 2. Now solve equation 1 and 2. Solve equation 1 and 2. By solving x minus 3y. I move this one this side. X minus 3y equal to minus 4. By solving 1 and 2. By solving 1 and 2. Now we have to take first equation. First equation x minus 2y equal to minus 2. X minus 2y equal to minus 2. Second equation x minus 3y equal to minus 2. Now we can any term x terms or y terms having equal coefficients, x having the equal coefficient, but opposite side is not there. So to maintain opposite side, by subtract means change the sign of the second equation. By doing the subtraction of the algebraic expression, by doing the sign change, this is the plus sign, plus becomes minus, this is minus, this becomes plus, this is minus, this becomes plus. Then what we can say, x will cancel, 3 minus 2, 1y, 4 minus 2, 2. That means y equal to how many? 2. Y equal to 2. Now substitute y equal to 2 in 1. Either 1 or 2 you can use any one, no problem. 1 I want to use. X minus 2y equal to minus 2. Replace y value 2. X minus 2 into y value 2 equal to minus 2. 2 is 4. Minus 4 equal to minus 2. Minus 4 move towards the RHS. I am doing simplification here. Already you know. X equal to minus 2 plus 4. X equal to, okay, that means how many squares are there? 2 squares, 4, 2 squares, 2 points. Okay, if you replace this one, okay, if you replace this, these two values, x equal to y equal to 2, this we will follow the condition. This is the answer. Okay, this one you have to do your own. Once again, you have to do this without seeing. Now next one, fourth question. Try to search this one. Fourth question I will write on the board. Okay, see here what is the question here? 10 students of class 10 to how many students are there? 10 students. Total how many? That will not do. 10 students are to be part of math quiz. Okay, 10 students they conducted math quiz for both and girls, both and boys, boys and girls. How many students participated? 10 students participated. If number of girls are 4 more than boys, but here 4 girls are more girls in 10 students. If you compare boys and girls are 4 members more than boys. Then find number of boys and girls. Okay, let number of girls equal to x. Let number of girls equal to x. We don't know especially how many girls are there, how many boys are there. And the number of boys equal to y. Given what is the total total students, 10 students took part in math quiz. So 10 students took part in math quiz. Okay, 10 students took part in math quiz means total students how many? 10. X plus y equal to 10. Total means boys and girls. Boys and girls how many? 10. So x plus y equal to 10. 10 students took part in math quiz. X plus y equal to 10. This is equation 1. Next, second question. Second sentence. The number of girls 4 more than number of boys. Okay, here what is the second sentence? This is the first sentence. Okay, this is the second sentence. By using we have to prepare two linear equations. Number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys. That means if you compare number of girls equal to, if you want to find out girls, boys added to 4. Okay, how many boys are there? For those add 4. Then we will get a total girls. Okay, total girls. Girls how many here? X equal to boys y plus 2. Y have take this move side. X minus y equal to 4. This is equation 1. Solve 1 and 2. Okay, now what is equation 1? X plus y equal to 10. Second equation x minus y equal to 4. Okay, now which terms having equal coefficients and with the different signs? These two having equal coefficients but same sign. Go check for next one. These also having same coefficients with a different sign. So we have to take this one by adding. We have to cancel either x or y. How do we start now? By adding. By add. Okay, x plus x, 2x. Okay, 2x. Y minus y, 0. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 4, 14. X equal to 2 move this side, 14 by 2. 2 1 years, 2 7 years. X equal to how much? 7. Now we place 7 in equation 1. Substitute x equal to 7 in equation 1. That means x plus y equal to 10. X value is 7, y equal to 10. Now move this side 7 that side, y equal to 10 minus 7. Y equal to 3. 10 minus 7, 3. X equal to 7 means number of girls equal to 7, number of boys equal to 3. Okay, once again how to complete again without seeing, first listen the class carefully, later without seeing you can complete it third one, fourth one in page number 86. In page number 86 may have sum, this sum only, but without seeing how to complete that one. Complete after you can share images in blue. Okay.